Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is Wednesday, 13th of September. It's 10 to 6 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia, and it still is 12th of September in New York and London. Let's take a look at the market. Before we start anything, please go and subscribe to my channel. This is a live trading session, and if you find this video useful, if you have followed me so far, please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon, so as soon as I upload a video you will get notified and you can come and just check whatever we've done here, and you do your own analysis, and maybe you get a good signal or trade. We normally trade at the close to market to New York session close time. As you can see, it is 68 minutes left to the New York session close. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section below. I normally answer them within 12 hours. So yeah, that's it. This is oil. If you remember oil, we had this Fibonacci level here. It just touched our target midway between 261 and 423, and it came back and it's going up again. So when the market goes back to 50%, my analysis is that it's gonna go up to probably around this area up to here. So the market goes up, comes back, touches the 50%. That's a retracement, and it goes higher now. So this is a buy signal for me. I buy here, and I put my stop loss under this pin bar, and I move my target above this resistance line. This is a major resistance line. It's green, as you can see, and as market moves on during the next days, I will move my target and a stop loss, and I adjust it. Let's take a look at gold. This is gold versus US dollar. Market dropped, gap down, if you remember, at the beginning of this week, but it's trying to compensate today, and it came back a little bit. It's currently at $13.31, and yeah, it's close to 261. If you remember, if you had a trade here, you probably should be in a very good position. Move your stop loss to break even, at least maybe a little bit of profit, so if the market goes back against you, so you don't lose anything. Silver is the same, moved back, touched this resistance line here, and it formed a bullish candle. And also this 8 moving average is kind of a dynamic resistance line, support and resistance line, so it's just acting like a support now, and it stopped silver from falling down. But yeah, I don't have any signal in these two precious metals, so just if you have, just adjust your stop loss, at least you don't lose anything. This is again the same, silver versus Australian dollar. It fulfilled accomplished all these head and shoulders pattern that we had up to there, and it's just kind of a retracing. We have a flag at the moment, and it's gonna break and goes high up to this $23-24 up there. So that's my analysis. I think it's gonna go higher during next month, this month and next month. GBPUSD, if you remember last night, we drew this Fibonacci of this pin bar. We said that it's gonna drop. Nope, it didn't, and it actually moved higher. We drew these rectangles, if you remember, as a kind of a support and resistance zones, the event areas, and it broke through this, and yeah, it's gonna probably close above this. If it closes above, we are 100% bullish on this pair, and we don't do anything. I delete this Fibonacci. We are bullish on this one until we get a clear signal. This is a resistance area, so but with this much power, when a currency pair breaks a resistance area with this much power, it shows that there are so many buyers behind this pair, and they're pushing the price very high. EuroCAD is fluctuating in this area. This is a very major event area again. This resistance line is holding very strong. This support line is holding very strong, and the market is just kind of fluctuating around this area, trying to decide which way it's gonna go. But it's a very bearish, a strong bearish move. Only this area is holding it from falling more down. GBPCHF, fantastic. If you remember, we drew this Fibonacci about 2 weeks ago, more even, and it already just got close to this 423. So probably if you had a position in the midway, you had the target, you would be out by the moment. And it was very nice profit, probably about $350 profit. I mean 350 pips. So if you had one lot, it would be 3,500. Euro GBP. Again, I drew this Fibonacci 2 weeks ago. I had this arrow here, said that the market's gonna drop. This is their resistance zone, the event area that we have. I drew this last night, and the market just dropped, broke through 423 even, and it's just touched this, close to touching this rectangle here, and it's going back. Probably this is gonna continue dropping up to this area. I don't know. So let's see what happens during these 2 days left from this today, 2-3 days this week, and then the next week. AUDJPY is the same. It broke through, and it seems that it's never gonna look back. I had this small resistance line here and this big pin bar. That was a signal for me. I had a small position in this, but when this market moved back, I got a stop out. I moved my stop loss to break even, but yeah, it just took me out. But if you are in this position, probably you should be in 270 pips, and if you had your target close to 261 under this resistance line here, you would be out by now. It's a very nice profit, very nice trade. AUDJPY, I have one position here, buy. I took it last night, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to, it's not good to break even. Maybe this pair moves very radically. I don't want to get it stopped out, so I move it close to that area. Maybe there is good. I leave about 60. No, it's not good. I keep that distance from the price. This, as you can see, this pair moves very big candles with big shadows. The wicks are very long, so if the market moves back tomorrow, I don't want to be stopped out. I want to be in this position. AUDUSD is the same. We had this big pin bar here. I had a position sell. It's a little bit into profit. I just tank my target a little bit, and yeah, this one is good, looks good so far. GBPJPY is amazing. It just shot up, it just went to the roof during past 2 days, today and yesterday, and very amazing. This pin bar was our signal, and if you had your target, as I say, normally midway between 423 and 261, you probably would be out by yesterday. But 500 pips, very amazing. You couldn't take this one, this today, okay? You would be out, so don't count on this one. You normally put your target around this area. If you had moved your target higher and you moved your stop loss, if you're a trend follower like me, you would get this position at this profit, but normally not. You would be out close to this area. Euro USD is dropping again. This 8 moving average is holding a little bit strong. This is a double top, and both at the top are 2 pin bars, so it's a very kind of a signal that the market's gonna drop. So USD is getting stronger. As you can see, USD CHF is the same. During today and yesterday, the market just shot up, broke all of these major resistances here and all these moving averages. So it shows that the market's trying to move, not trying, actually is moving higher. The last one that we look is Euro AUD, still fluctuating, still this small resistance line here. I drew it like a week ago, more 10 days ago, still holding on. and there's nothing at the moment in this pair. So this was for today. I hope that you are in very good situation, you have very good positions and nice profit so far. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, please ask. There is a link. I put the link for downloading my indicators in the description. Please check it out. Go to my website, and there is a green icon. Click on it, put your email address there, and then you will receive my indicators in your email. Check your email and download it, install it. This resistance lines, as you can see, this is an indicator. I don't draw it manually. All these moving averages, this is it. These two moving averages are, as you can see, these arrows. It's an indicator. It draws by itself. So yeah, check it out. The link in the description. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a nice week.